Close your eyes for a second and imagine that you aren't standing on the ground anymore. Imagine your consciousness has been detached from your body and placed inside the cockpit of a bird. You are soaring over jagged mountain peaks, diving through narrow forest canopies at 80 miles per hour and feeling the rush of the wind, all while sitting comfortably on your couch. This is the promise of FPV, or first-person view flying. But for a long time, that feeling was locked behind a wall of expensive, complicated, and frankly uncomfortable technology. You needed to be an engineer just to get the goggles to work. You needed a pilot's license just to understand the menus. That era is officially dead. Welcome to the era of the DJI Goggles N3. If you've been watching the sky, you've noticed a shift. Drones aren't just for cinematic slow shots anymore. They are for the experience. They are for the adrenaline. But why is everyone talking about the N3 specifically? Why is this budget-friendly headset suddenly the most talked about piece of gear in the American drone community? It's because DJI did something they rarely do. They didn't just strip down a pro model to save money. They redesigned the entire user experience to solve the three biggest problems in FPV: comfort, compatibility, and the nausea factor. Today, we are going to peel back the layers of this device. We are going to look at why the N3 might actually be a better choice for you than the more expensive Goggles 3. And more importantly, we're going to discuss how this single piece of tech is about to change the way we see our world forever. Let's start with the design, because the N3 looks different for a reason. If you've ever worn VR goggles or previous DJI models, you know about the pressure points. After 20 minutes, your forehead hurts, your nose is pinched, and you have red marks on your face. The Goggles N3 introduces a roomy fit. It's designed specifically for the American face shape. Wider, more cushioned, and most importantly, glasses-friendly. You don't have to buy expensive prescription inserts anymore. You just put them on over your glasses and fly. This sounds like a small detail, but for the millions of people who wear corrective lenses, it's the difference between a hobby and a headache. But the real magic isn't in the foam, it's in the glass. The N3 features a single-screen LCD system that is surprisingly crisp. Now, purists will tell you that you need micro OLED to have a good time. They're wrong. DJI has optimized the backlight and the refresh rate on the N3 to the point where the latency is almost non-existent. We're talking about 40 milliseconds or less. In the world of high-speed drone racing or sinuhoop diving, 40 milliseconds is the difference between clearing a gate and hitting a tree. When you tilt your head or move the stick, the world moves with you. There is no floaty feeling. There is no lag. It's as if your eyes have been physically transported into the front of the drone. Why is this a big deal for the US market? Because we are seeing a massive surge in weekend warriors. People who want to escape the 9 to 5 grind by going to a local park and feeling like a superhero for an hour. The N3 is the gateway drug to that feeling. It's affordable enough that you don't feel guilty buying it, but it's powerful enough that you won't outgrow it in 6 months. Now, let's talk about the O4 transmission system. This is the backbone of the DJI ecosystem. The Goggles N3 are built to handle the O4 protocol, which means the signal is rock solid. Imagine flying your drone behind a building or deep into a valley. With older analog systems, your screen would